Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Legend of Harley-Davidson, a name that's become a symbol of freedom and rebellion for over a century. It's more than a motorcycle. It's a piece of Americana, built on grit and innovation. On Entrepreneurial Edge, we love exploring the stories behind iconic brands, and Harley's journey is packed with surprises. Get ready for 15 facts on how a tiny shed startup became a global phenomenon. Let's fire up the engine and hit the road. Harley-Davidson began in a tiny Milwaukee shed in 1903. William S. Harley and Arthur Davidson, young dreamers, wanted to make bicycling easier. With Arthur's brothers, they built their first motorized bike in that cramped space. They painted Harley-Davidson Motor Co. on the shed door. Sometimes all it takes is a great idea and a few good friends. The first Harley wasn't a beast. It was just a bicycle with a tiny engine, barely 2 horsepower. It even used a tomato can for a carburetor. Simple and practical, it was built with whatever was available, solving a real problem. That no-nonsense spirit became Harley's DNA. The Great Depression wiped out most American motorcycle makers. Harley survived by pivoting, selling engines for industry and landing police and military contracts. By 1933, only Harley and Indian remained. Their adaptability and resilience kept the company alive when others vanished. Harley's military roots run deep, supplying bikes in both world wars. The W2 WLA was rugged, reliable, and built for battle. Over 90,000 served messengers and MPs worldwide. Soldiers returned home hooked on Harleys, fueling post-war demand. In 1983, Harley launched the Harley Owners Group, HOG, to unite riders. What began as a marketing move became the world's largest factory-sponsored motorcycle club. HOG made Harley ownership a lifestyle and global community. Today, it's over 1 million strong. That iconic potato-potato rumble? It's Harley's signature, thanks to their unique V-twin engine. In the 90s, Harley tried to trademark the sound. Legal battles stopped them, but it shows how vital that sound is. Instantly recognizable, Harley's heartbeat. By the early 80s, Harley was nearly bankrupt, outgunned by Japanese imports and plagued by quality issues. 13 executives risked everything to buy the company back from AMF in 1981. Deep in debt, they rebuilt Harley's reputation from the ground up. Their gamble paid off, sparking one of America's greatest comebacks, a story of passion and perseverance. The AMF years, 1969-1981, nearly ruined Harley's reputation. Cost-cutting led to unreliable bikes and angry customers. Overcoming this era was crucial for Harley's revival and rebuilding trust. Harley's image is cemented in pop culture, on the road with police and on the big screen. Police Harleys became symbols of authority, while films like Easy Rider and Terminator 2 made Harleys icons of rebellion and cool. The brand became a cultural touchstone. After W2, GIs customized Harleys, sparking chopper culture. Harley embraced this, fueling a huge aftermarket. Personalization became central to the Harley experience. Harley isn't just American, it's a global phenomenon. Huge Harley communities thrive in Europe and Asia Pacific. The brand's ideals of freedom and adventure resonate worldwide. Harley's roar echoes across the globe. In 1986, Harley went public with the stock symbol HOG, a clever nod to their culture and fans. Every ticker update reinforces the Harley mystique, branding genius even on Wall Street. In 2019, Harley shocked purists with the electric Livewire. No rumble, just a futuristic whine and instant speed. The move showed Harley's willingness to innovate and adapt. Livewire is now its own brand, but it began as Harley's bold leap into the future. Every August, Sturgis, South Dakota, becomes Harley Heaven. The rally draws thousands, celebrating riding, community, and the brand's spirit. For many, Sturgis is the ultimate Harley pilgrimage. Harley sells more than motorcycles. They sell a lifestyle. From HOG rallies to branded gear, it's about identity and belonging. The brand stands for freedom, individuality, and community. That's Harley's genius, turning a machine into a movement. It's a dream that's lasted over a century. That's the Harley-Davidson story, from shed to global icon. A journey of innovation, survival, and reinvention. What surprised you most? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more business legends. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride.